Guys, so we're about to go and do a snake release into the bush. Friends and our neighbors has caught this green tree snake. So that's what we're going to do today. Awesome, let's go.
Go! Go, go!
Okay, so we've picked the spot. I'm thinking it's a green tree snake. This one here, Samuel, he's seen it, and Ben has seen it too, and they said it's some sort of green snake. So I'll pick a good spot here among the trees, and we're just going to release it and see what happens. I haven't seen it myself, so we're going to just use common sense. Alright, so we're just going to put it down, and hopefully it will make its way out. Yeah, it likes the pillowcase. So it is a green tree snake, I can tell. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go in deeper over here. I see this is a good spot.
Where is it?
There he goes. There he is. There's the little fella. Okay. Good job, everybody. Let's go home. Make sure you give that a wash.
Got it.
So these are the guys. This is Ben, this is Samuel, and I'm Journey. We just released a green tree snake, which was caught in their backyard. So, yeah, awesome. What do you guys got to say? It was fun. Yeah, it's pretty safe. They did decided to go back into the pillowcase, but we took them another spot and we decided to go out. So it was all good. Didn't get harmed. We didn't get harmed. Sweet as. God is good. Happy Sabbath.
Alright guys, I'd just like to let you know to subscribe to the channel and follow my Instagram. My Instagram is _BXNJAMIN16.
Awesome. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright.
Subscribe to the channel.
Awesome.
Goodbye.
Awesome, you're still here. Now, choose one of these two videos to watch next, and I'll see you there.